First day in the snow. First time ever in the snow. Crazy day, we're about to go and do some shooting today. It's raining, it's snowing. You know, so right about now we're about to see what it's like outside, you know. This is what it looks like. All white around me.
Look at this idiot in the freezing colds. You better not hit me. Well, you look so cute. You like a kid.
It's cold!
We got snow, people.
You come now?
No.
Snowball.
No. I'm not catching the snowball. Are you crazy? I'm here. Oh, I got this thing all zoomed up. What? Everything is icicles. This is so beautiful.
Do you come over there, son?
Where?
Huh?
I don't want to come over there. I'm sitting in the back. He's an Uber today.
Yeah. I'm here watching. What are you watching me?
Here,
Video yourself.
Here. I'll sit in the middle. So we're going to go look for battery for this.
I'm going to get the box.
What are you looking at, my mom?
Watch. See. Teeth.
You know you're lying. You was that trying to see my teeth.
Yeah. Can I say something? I don't know how to drive in this scenario.
You're fine.
Can you hashtag this one? You scared?
Do I look scared? Scared every day.
You're not gonna die, okay?
I'm worried about my phone falling down because I don't feel like you squeeze tight enough.
It's so terrible. Do you wanna drive? You want to drive? I'm so scared.
It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy.
You always want to drop my teeth.
Let's go, baby. Oh, they got a leak. They need to close this store down. They got a leak over there. Right, straight ahead. 50% off all accessories. What you say? They going out of business. I can't hear you. I don't know what you're whispering about. But wipe your eyelids. Close your eyes and wipe it like this. Because you put so much shea butter on your face. Like crack is building up in your creases. Well, you gotta make. Because I said crack. It's illegal to say crack. I can't. Can't say anything online. Crack is whack. Look like you got crack on your eyes. That's what I said. Get out that lady face. But you know what you're looking for? You know what it's called, right? Well, they got Mickey Mouse goldfish. Oh, look, it's a red one shaped like Mickey. That's cool, I guess. For the kitties. Can we get some help in electronics? Every time you want to come here and look at speakers. We already have a speaker. Oh my goodness. Can we get some assistance in electronics? Anybody? Hello? On that side.
This side?
Yep. So when you be on the wrong side, somebody can pull out and look at you crazy.
You know, they can pull up from this side too.
I know, but at least you on the right side, they can't look at you crazy.
Or they can't hit you.
They can't look at you crazy.
Look don't scare me though.
Actually, it scares you.
It's just a look. I have a look too. You know that look, right?
Let me see the look. Together.
So people, we're gonna watch. You can tell the fans.
I'm trying to get Inception because I heard about it, but I haven't seen it yet. Hopefully they have it.
Shit, you know, so I wrong maybe. Can't go, sir?
Yeah. Go. Go. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Being a good driver.
Yeah.
You taught me.
There it is. Let me see, babe. What are you doing? What are you doing? Cleaning off your car? Lock the doors on. No. You want to be funny? You're gonna run away. You want to be funny, huh? You want to be stupid? Go out there. And don't put no. Look, hey, it's open. Man, I had you alive, man. Oh my God, my stomach hurt. That was so funny.
Thank you for heat.
Babe, that was so hilarious.
That's not funny. My toes are freezing.
And you want to be out there be crazy?
No, I mean, I was just
That
enjoying the snow.
That was hilarious, babe. Yeah? Yeah?
Baby, while we're young, I think we should do something crazy. Like say F everyone. Been another perfect day with ya. Wanna lay with ya. Spend the night with ya. Spend my life with ya. Alright.
Everything to me.